according to International Energy Agency, there are 1.3 billion people worldwide living without electricity. This is equivalent to approximately 18% of the global population. Growth of slums is steadily rising. Today there exists no effective action to mitigate this increase. More than 1 in every 7 human being now lives in an urban slum. The urgent problem of having a light source without the access to electricity among this population needs to be solved. Therefore, an affordable light source for rural areas, where electricity is not readily available, is an opportunity to shed light on a dark situation. Light Cubed is just that technology to push away the shadows and provide an opportunity for those in need. In many developing countries around the world, children in rural villages have to walk several miles to and from the nearest school. When they arrive at home, many have to help their families. Perhaps they watch younger siblings, haul clean water or firewood, or help tend the family's garden. This may take several hours. By the time their work is done and they are able to study, the sun has nearly set, and there is little light left. Many of the villages do not have electricity, so candles are the primary source of light for most children, but candlelight is dim, and flashlights, for those fortunate enough to have one, are awkward and difficult to hold while studying. But what if these children had a light source that didn't rely on batteries, which get expensive to replace and create more trash, that was reliable and durable, that would be freestanding, and still provide ample light, that was affordable and readily available? With the cube light, they will not have to worry about the sun setting before they begin their homework, and their study conditions will be ergonomically safe. Currently, there are many existing solutions in the market. However, they have their advantages and limitations. For power acquisition, there is the small-scale wind power generation. Converting wind energy into electricity is clean, renewable and sustainable, and the small-scale generators have the potential to stimulate village-level business. However, the strength of the wind is uncontrollable and hard to predict. It also has a high price. Also, in the Mugunga refugee camp, some entrepreneurs use power from generators to charge clients' electronic devices. The limitations are that the power supply is unstable, and the risk of theft and damage to the personal electronic devices is high. For providing a light source, hand-powered flashlights are economical for use in poor countries. Batteries may be expensive, and electric power is unreliable or unavailable. Also, the light provided is weak and unstable. There is high possibility of mechanical breakdown after daily usage. Another solution is a solar bottle bulb. It uses a soda bottle filled with water to reflect sunlight. The solar panels attached can provide a light source for up to 10 hours a night. However, it can be damaged easily. It has no power storage or alternative power supply options if the solar panels fail.
The LED block consists of a cube-shaped housing with an LED array and a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, a knob for turning on or off and adjusting the brightness level, and apertures on each of the remaining faces for attaching power blocks. The power block also consists of a cube-shaped housing. One face of the block has leads extending from the block. The leads have varying heights, which ensures proper connection to the LED block. Power blocks can generate power using solar panels or a crank generator. Also, the power block has a USB jack to connect to other devices, such as mobile phones, for charging. The power block is connected to the LED block by inserting the leads. Once the leads are connected to the LED block, the rechargeable battery can be charged for use. The battery can be charged by the solar panels or with a crank arm. The power block can be removed after charging. Here, a crank block is being connected to the LED block. The LED block can be connected to multiple power blocks at one time. The configurations can also be changed.
We intend to partner with NGOs to help make Cube Light accessible to remote areas and affordable in the world's poorest areas. NGOs can provide the necessary resources to help us get in contact with people in remote areas and collect feedback that will help improve our design according to customer needs. They can also connect us to channels for promoting the Cube Light in areas where it will be most useful.